Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this Zack King style screen thief effect. So for the first shoot, I just look at the monitor, then react like something is happening here. For the second shoot, I'm using the green clothes on the table. Now I grab this coffee mug, and drink a little bit. Then again put it back here. And I recorded these clips, with a tripod. Now let's see how to edit these clips. So first drag this second clip to the top of the first clip. Now we have to remove the green screen from the top clip. So move to the Effects tab, and search for the Ultra key. Apply this effect to the top layer. Go to the Effect Controls tab. Under the Ultra key effect, select the key color picker. Then just click on this green color. We can see that it was not removed properly. So select the pen tool, and draw a mask around the green color. Now play with the matte generation, to remove the green color properly. Okay, now we have to match the bottom part of the monitor. So let's scale down a little bit. Decrease the opacity, then try to adjust the bottom part properly. Now select the pen tool, and draw a mask on the monitor screen. Then increase the opacity 100%. And we are almost done. Now I need to make the reflection on the coffee mug. So take a snapshot by clicking this little camera icon. Then select PNG or JPG format. And enable import into project. Now click OK. So it will take a snapshot of the project panel. And drag this snapshot to the timeline. Right click on it. And select Edit in Adobe Photoshop. So it will open up with Photoshop application. Now select this coffee mug. Click Ctrl+Shift+I, to invert the selection. Now click on the Delete button to remove the background. And click Ctrl+S to save it. Then going back to the Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects tab. And search for the vertical flip. Apply this effect to the snapshot layer. Then move the position to the bottom of the first mug. Now select this 4-point polygon mask tool. I need the reflection of a little bit of this mug. Then make the mask feather 50. Again go to the Effects tab. And search for Gaussian Blur. Apply this effect to the snapshot layer. Going back to the Effect Controls tab. And set the Gaussian blurriness 20. Now decrease the opacity to around 50%. So our reflection is done. Then extend the duration of the snapshot layer. Now we have to adjust the reflection with the video clip. So I have to make a cut here. Again I have to make another cut here. Then delete this middle part. Now I just apply the cross dissolve to remove the rough cut. Now let's see the final preview. To make it more perfect, you can color grade the entire video, and add some nice sound effects. You can check out my 15 cinematic LUT presets pack under the description link. Also I will add my ultimate sound effects pack. So that's all for today. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me on Instagram. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.